Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we are at the Travelodge here in, I think it's called Peartree. It's in Oxford, and I thought I'd give you a little look-see and show you what it's like. I'll just turn the camera around, or turn the there we go, flip the camera around, and I'll just show you outside. We're in room 701 on the ground floor. There you go. 701 on the ground floor. We've got a fan down there. The wardrobe, open wardrobe with your coat hangers. Spare towel or towels. Pillows. Got a TV, I've not switched that on yet. We've literally got here in the past 10-15 minutes. You've got your remote for your TV, your Samsung telly, as you can see, the keys, charging my phone. We've got our luggage already there, and the door, voila. Couple of chairs to sit on, one there. And I've got my bag, my camera bag here with all my goodies in. I keep my main camera on there. I've even brought, just in case I need it, a oh yeah, you never know, my torch. We've got, oh, there's a call button here. Not seen one of them for a while. One light's working. Wonder if the other one is. We've got the bed, the bathroom in there. I wonder if it's because it's off. Oh, there you go, that one's on as well. So I've got a bit of ambience. A couple of pillows there. I might actually, I think I prefer two pillows normally. I like that picture up there. It's nice. I like that, that's smart. Smoke alarm detector or whatever, and a light up there. We've also got, as you can see, a light there, and I presume, is this a light for in here? Ah, there you go. So we've got a light here for the little hallway. Radiator down there. Mirror, another smoke alarm, voila. We've got some tea and coffee and milk and what have you there, and sugar, a couple of cups, and what's that like? Oh, that's not bad. It's nice and clean in there. That's okay. A couple of plugs there, of course. What else? Have we got any other plugs? Looks as though they're the only two. Should be. Oh, there's another one or two behind here. Another one behind there. We could always pull the TV out if we're not going to use it. So that's not bad. Everything's lovely and clean. Some friends of ours have been here, and they'd already told us yesterday that they thought this place was absolutely lovely. There's a place you can get the bus just outside. The entranceway's over there on the other side. Yeah, and you can get the bus into Oxford. Voila, in a bit I'll show you the bathroom. Okay, okay, so I'll show you the bathroom. Now there's something I do have to say, because of my wife and what she's got. We got an accessible room, and it's the type that you can use to get in with a wheelchair as well, but because Jill does have some walking difficulties, you'll notice on the door here you've got the handles, and it's more like a wet room as well. There's no bath, it's a shower. So I'll just pull this back, which is awesome. because she would have had a bit of a rough time with the bath. We haven't got a bath, we've just got a wet room. So as you can see, you've got the handles here as well. So it's a good thing to know if you have walking problems, mobility problems. You can get these rooms here at the, is it the Peartree, Jill?
Yeah.
Peartree, that's it. So I was right. Everything's really nice and clean and polished. As you can see, that comes down. So you know, if you're having really hard problems with and you're on a wheelchair, for example, you've got the bars there to help you out. That's cool. You've got the bar in here. You've got a seat in the shower room as well. All nicely polished, I have to say. It's all lovely and clean. Look at that shower head. Shower head's immaculate. It makes a show of ours. You've got the body wash there as well. You've got a couple of toilet rolls there. Your tap, I should say, with hot and cold, and also an ickle bin and a couple of towels there for shavers, for those of you who need the shaver outlet, and foam hand wash just there as well. So here we've got the toilet, and to be fair, it's not bad at all. I noticed there was a little bit of watermark down here. Remember, it's a wet room as well, and so soap does and water does cause this dribbling, and that of course is from the hand wash there. So that's more than acceptable. It's fine. I'm not going to do a scary, oh, it's terrible, it's wee here, there and everywhere. No, that's not the case. This place is really nice and clean. But I just wanted to test it out and to show you what these can do. I've just got a cheap one. It just cost a couple of quid. And hardly any marks, but there is a difference here. And here you can see, and it's probably just soap, to be fair. It's probably just soap, and somebody may have hung up a coat or anything, you know, here. But I just wanted to show you this. This is really clean, this place. It really is. There's a tiny bit of soap and water on the shower itself, but this is going to happen, isn't it? To be fair, if you want me to do more stuff like this with the black light, let me know. If you're interested, there is some. Remember, this is right next to the shower as well, so it's going to get splashing. So I've got to be honest. When I've put the light up on the mirror, I cannot see hardly any marks at all. This place really, I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. It's spotless, really, compared to, this is after us spending 2 days here, basically, you know, and washing in here and so on. We didn't do that though, that was already there. But it's the only letdown. It's not even a letdown. I just think it's soapy water on there, or from whatever. It's certainly not anything to worry about, is it? Anyway, I thought I'd add this in so you can see what it's like. And next we are going to be going to Oxford, and we're going to be doing that a bit later. So obviously expect some videos from the centre of Oxford, the beautiful city itself. Anyway guys, it would be awesome if you haven't done so, but if you like and subscribe, it really encourages me to make more. See you soon. Ciao for now. Bye.